Hello and welcome, Leo. How are you? My name is Yashika and I am a professional tarot card reader. And today I have a reading for you for the month of June 2024. Before I begin the reading, मैं ये जानना चाहती हूँ कि मई में what were the things that you were struggling with? मई में ऐसा क्या हुआ जो जिसने आपको ग्रो करने पे मजबूर किया? So let me just get one card. I have the 10 of swords and the 7 of coins. I feel like there was a lot of struggle in your career. Maybe you were not enjoying what you were doing in your career, and there was, as you know, you can see in this card, there was physical, mental, emotional exhaustion. So maybe you were going through a bit of a burnout when it came to your career and you were just not into what you were doing. So it made you think ki, are you on the right path or not? So career, when it came to career, May was not good. Now what I want to know is कि क्या ब्लेसिंग्स आने वाली हैं आपके जून के महीने में करियर में एज वेल एज इन योर लव लाइफ. सो लेट्स बिगिन विद करियर. ओके, what are the blessings coming in? Strength. Okay, so I feel like there was a decision जो आप बहुत टाइम से छोड़ रहे हो, मे बी दूसरों पे छोड़ रहे हो या आप वो डिसीजन लेने से डर रहे हो, but finally in the month of June you will take that decision. And because this is the strength card, and of course strength is the card for Leo, you can see the line here, of course Leo आना ही था ये कार्ड. तो I think I have 7 of swords. Okay, I feel like you would find courage to cut off people from your life जो आपके लिए अच्छे नहीं हैं, and that is very important, Leo. Cutting people from your life जो आपका अच्छा नहीं चाहते या जिनसे अब आप बात नहीं करते हैं, वो बस आपकी लाइफ में ऐसे ही हैं, just taking your energy and not giving you any positivity. It is important to create boundaries, and it is important that you allow yourself to get rid of those people. And because Seven of Swords, those people do not want your highest. Those people actually think that you are good for nothing, or those people just does not have a good relationship with you internally. They are a bit of snakes, rats. So yeah, so that's the blessing. You are going to be cutting off people from your life जिनसे अब आपका रिलेशनशिप उतना नहीं है, या फिर जो आपको लगता है कि ओके दिस रिलेशनशिप हैज़ बिकम डिफ़िकल्ट, सो आई एम गोइंग टू बी मोर कॉन्शियस अबाउट द फैक्ट कि अब मुझे अपनी लाइफ में कैसे लोग चाहिए. Another blessing that is coming is Knight of Coins. There is going to be progress in your career. There is going to be progress in the opportunities that you are getting. I feel like कि बहुत टाइम से you were feeling stagnant in your career, and now finally in the month of June you will see कि एक या दो opportunities आपको ऐसी ज़रूर आएंगी जो आपको अपने ultimate goal तक पहुँचाएंगी. I have the 2 of Wands, so I do see some traveling that you can do. Maybe आप कोई interview देने out of state जाओ या out of country भी जा सकते हो. And I have the 2 of Wands, so you would be making that decision for sure. Now Leo, let us go to your love life and what is the blessing that is coming in that एरिया ऑफ योर लाइफ. एंड देखो ये भी हो सकता है दैट इट इज़ एक्चुअली योर पार्टनर जिसको आपको कट ऑफ करने की ज़रूरत है अपनी लाइफ से. एस ऑफ सॉर्ड्स, what did I say? You have to understand that you must create a boundary with your partner. You must express yourself that अपने पार्टनर से कि I cannot do this anymore, or we need to work on something, we are not addressing it and we need to work on something. I feel like you are going to have a strong truthful conversation about things in your love life, and maybe this could ऐसा भी हो सकता है that you take therapy and you would finally be honest about the way you see love, the way you perceive love, and what are the blockages in your love life with your therapist. So it is also about you being honest with yourself कि okay, where are my faults, and that is important for you, Leo. अपनी गलतियाँ देखना बहुत ज़रूरी है आपके लिए, especially in your love life. You have to be very honest with yourself. Are you doing the right thing? What is the other blessing? The 2 of Swords. There is going to be a lot of introspection, As I said, maybe you could take some counseling, relationship counseling, or maybe you talk to a friend who is very understanding and accepting, and that person would be able to show you the mirror key, you know, these are the things that you need to work on, and this will help you have a better, more healthy relationship with yourself. And I feel like for you, Leo, you need to have a better relationship with yourself first before you jump into a good relationship with someone else, a committed relationship. And I have the Nine of Wands as well. It feels like there's a lot of defense. You get so defensive about your love life, probably because you know that there is something wrong with your love life. And I feel like it is time to surrender. You must let go of King of Wands. You should not fall in love with the potentiality of people. मतलब कि आप उस इंसान के साथ मत हैंग आउट करो या उस इंसान के साथ मत बात करो जो आपको लगता है कि यार ये इस इंसान में ना बहुत पोटेंशियल है आगे जाके कि ये मुझे उस पॉइंट पे जाके बहुत प्यार करेगा या मुझे प्यार करेगी, and she loves me a lot, yeah, he loves me a lot, but he is just unable to express it. That's not the case. You need to stop falling in love with the idea of that person, the idea of the future and what it might hold. You need to stop that. And I have the King of Wands, and you know, you need to ask yourself, what is it that you want? What is it that is lacking in you that you need to fall in love with a person like that? I need one more card. Three of Wands. I think that you will actually take a good look in your love life and where things are going wrong. What are your patterns, and where are your red flags, and where are your partner's red flags? And if you can work on them, then all the best, by all means go ahead. But if you know that you cannot and that person is actually not good for you, and one of the signs is अगर वो इंसान आपके लिए ठीक नहीं है, then one of the signs is that whenever you meet them and you come home, you feel extremely drained, that you do not have energy to do anything else. You feel like the glow from your face has been sucked out. You don't feel the vitality in your life anymore, and that's the biggest sign that you're wrong, that you're with the wrong person. And I feel like you are going to gain a lot of courage in this month to actually set boundaries and to take a hard look at your love life. So Leo, that was it. Thank you so much for coming to me today, joining me. And if you liked the video, do share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.